In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build your own AI agents to automate tasks, no coding required. We'll be using a tool called n8n, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working AI automation setup, fully customized for your workflow. n8n is gaining massive popularity because it's open source, AI native, and gives you far more flexibility than platforms like Zapier or Make.com. You can even run it privately on your own machine or server. This makes it incredibly powerful for building intelligent, automated workflows using tools like OpenAI, Gmail, and Slack. We'll build an AI agent that monitors a Gmail inbox, sends incoming emails to ChatGPT via OpenAI, drafts email replies based on the message, notifies your Slack channel if something urgent needs immediate attention. Let's get started. n8n stands out because it's designed from the ground up with AI in mind. Whether you're in sales, marketing, design, or finance, there are over 1,000 pre-made workflows that you can plug into your own workspace. Many are free and ready to go. You have three options for using n8n. Cloud-hosted, n8n.io, easiest option, starting at $20 per month. Self-hosted, more technical, but private and customizable. VPS, virtual private server, best balance of privacy and simplicity. For this tutorial, I'm using Hostinger VPS because it provides an easy, click-to-install setup for n8n and starts at just $6 per month. I've partnered with Hostinger for a special 10% discount. Just use the code SKILL at checkout. Once you're in n8n, click the plus icon to create a new workflow. Trigger, start with Gmail. Choose on message received to initiate the automation whenever a new email comes in. Connect Gmail, sign in and give n8n access to your inbox. Now when an email comes in, this will trigger the AI workflow. Next, we'll add OpenAI. Choose the OpenAI node and a messenger model. Use GPT-4 or GPT-4 Mini depending on your budget. Add your OpenAI API key from platform.openai.com. Under System Prompt, describe how the assistant should behave. Example, you are a helpful email response agent. If the email is urgent, draft a quick, professional reply and ask for more details. Then, pull in the actual email content dynamically using drag and drop from the Gmail node. From to subject body. This way, the AI will analyze each message contextually. Now add another Gmail node to create a draft reply. Use the content generated by OpenAI as the draft message. Include the email's thread ID and subject to keep things tidy. This draft will appear in your Gmail, ready for review and sending. It's a safe and effective way to use AI without worrying about errors going out automatically. We'll now build a second branch in the workflow to flag urgent messages. Add another OpenAI step. Instruct it to analyze the urgency of the email and return a Slack alert message if needed. Pull in the same Gmail content dynamically. Next, add a Slack node to send that message. Choose a Slack channel or DM to notify. Connect your Slack account to n8n. Use the message content from the OpenAI step to send alerts to your team. That's it. Now you'll instantly get pinged on Slack when something needs urgent attention. Once everything is built, test each step using the built-in testing tools. When satisfied, click Activate to start running your automation. You can turn individual steps on/off anytime. If you want to skip building from scratch, n8n has a Templates tab full of automations. Whether you want to generate AI social media posts or automate reports, just import a template, connect your tools, and you're set. You can also download the exact workflow I built in this video and import it directly into your own n8n account. And the best part? Everything we've built today required zero coding. You didn't have to write a single line of JavaScript or JSON. It's all drag and drop, and incredibly beginner-friendly. Of course, you can go deeper later. AI agents inside workflows can access tools like memory, data sources, even generate content using images and voice. I'll be covering all of that in future videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'm working on a full course that dives deep into practical AI automation using n8n. I'll link that in the description once it's live. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. See you in the next video.